Welcome to HiExchange, an online platform to exchange your cryptocurrencies and digital currencies. For this video, we are going to demonstrate how to exchange Cardano to PayPal. When you enter the main page on the platform, select ADA on the left field and PayPal USD on the other. Then type in the desired amount for transaction and click on the exchange button. You can see how much PayPal USD you can receive, and then once again click on the exchange button. On the second step, you need to enter your PayPal account, your email address, and remember that the phone number field is optional. Having done that, click on Exchange. For the third step, you need to complete the CAPTCHA and prove to us that you're not a robot. This is nothing personal, it's just standard procedure. Then you can click on Exchange. As we enter the fourth step, you can see your transaction information, your order status, track ID, and HiExchange's Cardano wallet address. At this point, you need to make the auto payment to our wallet. In order to do that, you need to copy our wallet address. To make the payment, go to your auto wallet. You could use different wallets for this one. We are using our own wallet as an example. To withdraw ADA, type in ADA in the withdraw section. Add our wallet address for the payment. You can copy and paste it. Select the ADA network and then type in the desired amount for the transaction once again and click on confirm. When you have done that, you need to take a screenshot of the confirmation and then you have to go back to HiExchange's fourth step, upload this screenshot of your transaction confirmation, click on I agree to terms, and then click on pay order. At this point, our sales team will process your order as soon as possible. And you can have your track ID in case of any problems. You can call us 24/7. Thank you for choosing HiExchange for your transaction.